It's time for another monster problem. Oh, that's true. This problem was tough a long time ago, but here I am with the Wolverines, and we're going to prove to you, whoever's watching this video on YouTube, that we are smarter than we used to be. Here we go. I'll read the beginning. In their last basketball game, Riley's team scored 63 points. This was 7 times the number of points that Riley scored. Now, in the original problem, a lot of you tried to do 63 times 7. It's not what they want from you. Write and solve an equation to find the number of points Riley scored. So we've got to write an equation. Reread the top part, the problem part. What is the first piece of information they give you that counts as important, do you think? Nice and loud, since you're in the back. Leslie. 63. That number is important. We should lead with it. Now, 63. What's the rest of our equation? Well, what is an equation? It's something that has it's a math problem that has a what sign in it? Equation has an equal sign. And what you want to look for are things like the word was, or is, or this was, or this is. They mean something in math. Does anyone have an idea about what they mean? Elijah?
Equal.
They mean an equal sign. Think about it. That makes sense. Mr. Graham is a teacher. Mr. Graham equals teacher. Is and equals, was and equals, they have a connection.
Was?
Yeah, Mr. Graham, yesterday Mr. Graham was teaching me math. Mr. Graham equals teaching me math. Like, doesn't that make sense, kind of? So anyway, so 63, what's next then? After all that nonsense we just talked about, what would be next in this equation? Chloe.
Equals.
You want to keep going?
Yeah.
Equals what?
7 times 9.
Ah, you knew what the blank was. Chloe knows the blank because Chloe knows her times tables.
7 times 9 equals 63.
Exactly. So what is the answer then? We took this from the problem, and then we filled in that blank ourselves. What's the answer? What do you mean what's the answer? It's right there. Well, just tell me what the answer is then, if it's so easy. Andre?
9 points.
9
Points.
9 points. Word problems like to have word answers. 9 points.
9 points.
This is not hard if you realized that this was how you're supposed to write the equation. 63, then the equals, then 7 times. I mean, most of the work is done for you. Look, 63, 7 times. All you had to do was know that this was an equal sign. Once you get that, you're good to go. Part B, we're almost done. How many points did the rest of the team score? Now, don't shout out 63. That was the whole team together. They want to know the rest of the team. Right? You know, how can you figure that out? You can figure it out pretty easily, actually. Who hasn't talked it in this video? Aiden.
63 minus 9.
63 minus 9.
Because Riley scored 9 and the rest of the team scored 54.
You're absolutely right. And I like how you did that in your head, but just in case you weren't as fast mathematically, reading this problem together, can you do 3 minus 9?
No.
So you have to
Borrow.
or carry over. That 6 turns into a,
5.
that 3 turns into a,
13.
good for you. 13 minus 9 is,
4.
and you just bring the 5 down. So what is our answer?
54.
What is our answer?
54 points.
54 points.
54 points.
Word problems like word answers.
Because if you said 54, they won't know what you're talking about.
54 what?
What?
Exactly.
54 shoes, 54 cars,
54 boogers, 54 farts.
No.
He said farts. Alright guys, that's all the time we have for today. Everybody say bye to the video.
Bye.